Amazon parrots, which are often called Amazons, are large members of the Psittacidae family. They are mostly native to South America. There are 35 species and several subspecies, and many can be trained to be talking birds to some extent. Physical features include big, powerful bills to crack the nuts they find in their native habitat and multicolored plumage. Mental features are high intelligence, curiosity, and a bold personality. Read on to learn more about these incredible birds. For amazing Amazon parrot facts, the lifespan of some species can be as long as a century, something to consider if you want an Amazon parrot for a pet. The St. Vincent Amazon is the national bird of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Florida has over 12 species of Amazon parrots. Most of them live in and around Miami. Even if they're not talking parrots, some Amazons have different vocal dialects depending on where they live. Where to find the Amazon parrot? Amazon parrots are native to South America, the Caribbean, and Mexico, and feral parrots are found in the United States, Europe, and South Africa. These feral populations are thought to be the result of owners finding the needs or behavior of their pet parrots a bit too much to handle and setting them free. Amazon parrot scientific name. The scientific name of the genus is Amazoa, which simply means they are of the Amazon. After this, the epithets have several meanings. The estival in a estival, the scientific name of the blue-fronted parrot means summer. The epithet of a brasiliense means of Brazil. The epithet of a agilis, the scientific name of the black-billed Amazon means agile, and the epithet of a ventralis means of the belly. This is the scientific name of the Hispaniola Amazon, given because of the patch of red on its belly. Amazon parrot appearance. Amazon parrots are relatively large birds. They range in size from the 9-inch long white-fronted Amazon to the 18-inch long imperial Amazon. They are mostly green but usually come with areas of rich shades of red, blue, maroon, purple, and yellow. Their tails are short compared to other parrots, and their wings are round. Other features include heavy, hooked bills whose purpose is to crack nuts and other hard seeds, and zygodactyl feet whose purpose is to cling tightly to branches. The parrots have a naked cere, which is that bit of flesh at the top of the bill. Health and entertainment for your Amazon parrot. It is difficult for humans to tell some male and female parrots such as the blue-fronted Amazons apart. The difference between males and females in some parrots is only apparent in the ultraviolet range, which humans can't see. Males might be a bit larger in some species. Amazon parrot behavior. Amazon parrots are social as a group and travel together in large flocks. They also nest in the same area. The purpose of this behavior is to give the birds protection from predators. They communicate both vocally and through gestures. The vocalizations of Amazon parrots are quite diverse and can be rather loud. Parrots scream, screech, growl, rumble, bugle, and squawk. Does the Amazon parrot make a good pet? Whether an Amazon parrot makes a good pet depends on several factors. The most important is probably the species. Some Amazon parrots even need behavior training, otherwise, they will become unruly or even violent toward their owner. Another thing to consider is the parrot's conservation status. Some parrots are endangered because their eggs and chicks are collected so the birds can be sold in the pet trade. Since parrots are monogamous, it is ideal to buy at least 2, which can be expensive. The price of an Amazon parrot can range between $400 and $1,000. They also need a lot of room as they are large birds. There's not only the price of an enclosure for the birds but the price of their food, their toys, and their veterinary care. Parrots are messy and need to be bathed at least now, and their veterinary care. Parrots are messy and need to be bathed at least now and then. A potential owner must also remember that a young parrot might outlive them and make arrangements for their care. Amazon parrot diet. These parrots are herbivores, and their food includes nuts, seeds, berries, flowers, fruit, and leaves in the wild. In captivity, they can be given pellets formulated for parrots that are supplemented with fresh fruit and vegetables. They shouldn't be fed seeds and nuts all the time because these items have too much fat. And obesity can be a problem with captive Amazons. Of course, the parrot must have access to fresh water every day. Amazon parrot predators and threats. Humans are the biggest predators of and threats to Amazon parrots, for grown birds avoid predators by being large and congregating in flocks. Humans hunt parrots and even their eggs for the pet trade and hunt the larger parrots for food. The habitat of these parrots is also destroyed or fragmented by human housing, farms, and industry. In the wild, predators are mostly a danger to chicks and eggs. They include hawks, snakes such as the boa constrictor, and monkeys. Amazon parrot reproduction, babies, and lifespan. The reproductive strategies of many species of these parrots are not well known by biologists, but they do know that parrots are monogamous and breed seasonally. Most breed in spring or late winter, though the blue-fronted parrot breeds in the summer, which probably gives it its scientific name. Most parrots construct a nest in a tree cavity, and the female lays between 2 and 5 eggs, which she incubates for about a month. During that time the male feeds her, then helps her feed the chicks, which are born helpless. Chicks are fledged after about 2 months. Biologists don't know when many of these parrots reach maturity, but it's believed that blue-fronted parrots are mature when they're 2 to 4 years old. Amazon parrots are amazingly long-lived and can